Can water chemistry tell you if a pool is leaking? Water chemistry usually cannot tell you where the pool is leaking, but it can give you a strong indication that water is being lost and replaced. One of the best things to watch is calcium hardness. In the DFW area, our tap water is typically around 150 parts per million calcium hardness, although that can vary depending on city to city and your water source. A new plaster pool will usually have the calcium hardness increase to around 250 to 300 parts per million. That helps support the plaster curing process and gives us a better starting point for maintaining a proper LSI. Now, when water evaporates from a swimming pool, the calcium does not evaporate with it. The water leaves, but the calcium stays behind. Then the autofill or garden hose adds more water, and that new water brings additional calcium into the pool. Because of that, calcium hardness will normally increase gradually over time. In many DFW pools, you can see a noticeable increase in just a few months. After several years, that calcium can eventually become so high that a partial draining and refill may be needed to bring it back down. So when calcium hardness suddenly starts dipping from week to week, something has changed. There are only a few common things that can cause that. There could be a heavy swimmer use with a lot of splash out. There may have been excessive rain that caused the pool to overflow. The autofill may be stuck or adjusted too high, causing the fresh water to constantly enter the pool and push treated pool water out through the overflow. Someone may have left a garden hose running for a day. That happens more than we care to admit. Or the pool may have a leak. When higher calcium pool water is lost and replaced with lower calcium tap water, the calcium hardness in the pool begins to fall. This is one of the chemical signatures we can watch for. Cyanuric acid, or CYA, can also help identify normal water loss. CYA does not leave the pool through evaporation either. On a pool that does not regularly use stabilized chlorine, you expect CYA to slowly decrease over time. Some is lost through rain overflow, splash out, filter backwashing, vacuuming the waste, and other forms of actual water removal. Because of that, it is normal to occasionally need to add a little stabilizer. But if the CYA is dropping rapidly or much faster than that pool's normal pattern, treated pool water is being replaced. That may be caused by excessive rain, an overflow, an overfilled pool, heavy splash out, or a leak. Now consider a pool that regularly uses stabilized chlorine, such as trichlor tabs or dichlor shock. Those products continually add CYA. In that type of pool, you would normally expect the CYA level to gradually increase from month to month while you're using stabilized chlorine. If the pool is regularly using stabilized chlorine and the CYA suddenly begins falling, that is a major red flag. The stabilizer is being added, but more of it is leaving with the pool water than the chlorine products are putting back in. Again, that means water exchange, overflow, or a leak. And autofill can sometimes be part of the problem with actually being broken. It may simply be adjusted too high. If it maintains the water level above the proper operating point, like to the overflow, the pool may constantly lose water through the overflow. The homeowner may never notice because the water level always looks perfect. From their perspective, the pool does not appear to be losing water. But chemically, the pool behaves like it has a leak because treated water is constantly leaving and fresh water is constantly replacing it. You may also notice sudden chlorine demand or higher pH and more acid demand. The leak itself does not consume chlorine. The problem is that chlorinated water is leaving the pool and untreated fill water is replacing it. If the loss is significant enough, the pool service technician may begin adding more chlorine than usual just to maintain the normal target. When we see a pool that suddenly becomes difficult to keep chlorinated, one of the first things we do is we start watching CYA and calcium hardness much closer. One unusual test result does not automatically prove that the pool is leaking. Testing variation happens. Heavy rains happen, pools get backwashed, families have parties, kids splash water out, homeowners sometimes leave the hose running. But what matters is the pattern. If calcium hardness is consistently dropping when it would normally be expected to rise, and CYA is also consistently dropping faster than normal, that pool is losing water and replacing a significant amount of water. When those two trends are happening together and there is no reasonable explanation, such as draining, overflow, or extreme splash out, the pool most likely has a leak. At that point, it's time to stop treating this as only a water chemistry problem and begin the leak detection process. You can start with the leak analyzer or bucket test, then inspect the equipment pad, check the backwash line. If you have a backwash valve, it may be bypassing through the backwash valve. Check the overflow, the autofill, skimmers, lights, fittings, any visible plumbing. If the water loss is confirmed, the next step may be dye testing, plumbing isolation, pressure testing, or professional leak detection. Water chemistry will not normally point direct to the cracked pipe or the light conduit or failed skimmer throat, but when you track the chemistry over time, it can tell you that treated water is disappearing long before the leak becomes obvious. That is another reason consistent professional water testing and accurate historical records are so valuable. Do not just look at today's numbers. Watch what those numbers are doing from week to week and month to month. Sometimes the chemistry is the first thing telling you that pool has a leak. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, follow. We appreciate every view, and if you ever have any questions, leave a comment. We try to comment to every question you ask. Y'all take care.